The brush tool is the closest thing TradingView has to freehand drawing. It's just like a pen you can scribble anywhere on the chart, and it's great when you want to quickly sketch something that isn't a clean line or a shape. Here's how to use it. First, hop on any chart and go to the left-hand side. Head over to Geometric Shapes. You can select brush at the top, but since we already have it in our quick select, we'll just go here. Now, it's super useful for drawing anything you want. Say we want to circle this chunk of candles. All you have to do is use your cursor and just act like you're drawing a circle. Say we want to underline right here. Just underline it. Awesome. Now, let me give you another use. Say you want to roughly outline the path price took over here. You can do that. Awesome. Now, if you do want to change the thickness and color, there's a taskbar right up here. Simply click here, change the thickness. You can change the tool background as well, the color here. This tool is perfect for quick markups when you're going through a chart or saving notes for later. Have a great day, guys.